I'm Sierra Bose. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about algebra, binomials, and trinomials. Let's read today's sum. If the sum of two numbers is 9 and the sum of their cubes is 189, find the sum of their squares. Okay. Let's consider the two numbers as A and B. Considering the two numbers as A and B, the given information is A plus B equal to 9 and A cubed plus B cubed equal to 189. And we have to get A squared plus B squared. This is what's asked. And this is our given information. Then how will we do this? First of all, we have to refer to that formula which we used. A plus B, the whole cubed, minus 3AB, the whole, 3AB into A plus B, the whole, is equal to A cubed plus B cubed. If we refer to this formula, and if we substitute the values which are given, A plus B is given, and A cubed plus B cubed is given, or A plus B is 9, 9 cubed minus 3AB into 9 equal to 189. Now, over here, if we take 9 common out, then we are left with 9 into 9 squared minus 3AB equal to 189. Now, by doing a transposition and by doing 189 divided by 9, if we do it mentally, we get 21. 9 squared minus 3AB equal to 21. Or, this is 81 minus 3AB equal to 21. Or, 81 minus 21 equal to 3AB by doing a transposition. Or, 3AB equal to 60 if we swap the positions, and we do this mentally as well. We get 60, or AB equal to 60 by 3, which means 20. We got AB. This is our first step to get to A squared plus B squared. Now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to the rest of our sum. Previously, we got AB equal to 20. AB equal to 20. And we need to get A squared plus B squared. How much is that? Again, after getting AB equals 20, I think it is coming to mind that we have to again refer to a formula, which is A plus B, the whole squared, minus 2AB is equal to A squared plus B squared. Now, if we substitute the values in case of A plus B whole squared minus 2AB, then we get 9 squared, because A plus B, the sum of the two numbers is 9, 9 squared minus 2 and 2, previously got 20. 81 minus 40, which is equal to 41. That means, therefore, the sum of the squares of the two numbers is 41. And this is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.